Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage comments or story replies on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Comment allows you to engage with subscribers and have meaningful conversation around the stories you post. If you're signed into the app using the brand username, you look at your story management page, you will see previews of story replies from subscriber or comments. And how to manage the comment on your Snapchat is so simple. So first of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just tap on the up left corner on your Bitmoji icon on here. You can go to settings by tap on the gear icon in here in the up right corner. Now you can scroll down. On privacy control section, you'll find there is an option comment settings. You can tap on that. Now, as you can see, by default is set to manually approve. Comment on your snap are shown publicly after approval. You can choose how you want to have them approved. By default, it's set to manually approve. All comment needs to be approved by you before it go to public. Or you can auto approve my friends. Comment from your friends are auto approve. Or auto approve everyone. So all comments on your Snapchat are auto approved by default. I will choose on auto approve my friends. So when someone comment on my story or on my post on my Snapchat, the comment will be approved automatically, but only for my friends. It's so simple, right? So that is how to manage comment on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.